So in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to make a very popular anxiety ring. So for this design you need 20 gauge art wire, some beads of your choice. Here I'm using beautiful tiger's eyes beads, 0.4 centimeters, 4 millimeters. We'll need some chain nose pliers, flush cut pliers, we'll need a ring mandrel, and that's it. Let's start. So first we'll need to cut approximately between 15 and 20 centimeters. It's up to you. When you see the finished design you'll know what I mean, right? So that's the amount I need. Then we get our ring mandrel, and so you make sure you put it in the middle. So let's say I'm going for ring size M. I'll have to add the beads first in the middle, like that. Really nice shiny beads, right? And then I'm going for size M, so right in the middle. Then just wrap the wire around the mandrel that way, and then one side will go on the top and the other side will be at the bottom, like that. Okay, so you can now measure just to make sure it does fit your finger. Yeah, that's fine. And make sure all the beads are in the middle, because these started to go everywhere, you know. Right. Now, perfect, that's in the middle here. Okay, so with the excess wire, what you need to do is just cut the excess so you can have almost the same amount of wire on each side. Then these are the pliers that you need. Chain nose pliers, and you can just make a nice cute loop like that. And then you need to do the same, make sure it's clean cut like this, and do the same on this side. Okay, that one is a bit smaller, so I'm just gonna make it a bit bigger just to match the other one. Okay, so now you can get the ring mandrel again and just play with the wire. Just make sure that you've got the beads, you know, in the middle, and then the excess wire is nicely something like this. Yeah, so now it's up to you. You can either wear the ring like that, and if you get really anxious you can just play around with the beads, you know, just, or if you want these to be at the back, you can just move the beads on that side like that and just play with your ring like this. So yeah, it's up to you. There are two ways of wearing the ring. You can either, you know, have this as, you know, finish at the back, or either way looks nice, and its purpose is just to, you know, calm you down a bit if you have anxiety or like that. Yeah, so nice, pretty easy to make ring. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.